In this video today, I will review another nice innovative CarPlay device from the famous Ottocast brand. Just a few weeks back, I tested their Car TV Mate model, which I found to be very nice and innovative product. Now, they have launched another interesting device called the 5-in-1 CarPlay Clip. This device has a standard wireless CarPlay connectivity. It's got a small screen that is a digital picture frame. It shows the music album cover and a digital clock. And this device can also be used as a car air vent perfume diffuser. So now let's first do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will connect it in my car and we start testing the different functions and features of this new Ottocast CarPlay Clip. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so this is all we get inside the box. We get a user manual or user guide to connect the device in your car. You get a bracket, a mounting bracket to connect this with the AC vent. So this end connects with the AC vent and then this end connects with the clip. This is a cherry fragrant perfume that you basically put at the back of this clip, and this is the air vent perfume diffuser. So you get one with this clip, but you can buy extra ones from the market. And then you have this clip with a converter adapter. So this clip comes with this plug. This is a USB-A plug, so you need to connect this at the USB port in your car. But if your car doesn't have a USB-A connection and has one of the Type-C connection like this one, you just need to connect this at this end and then connect this at the USB cable in your car. So you get this extra plug for those kind of cars. And then this is the Ottocast CarPlay Clip. Now this one is in the round shape, but you also get the same in a squarish kind of shape. So depending on your liking and preference, you can buy the one that suits you. All right, so this is the clip. It's got hardwired cable, and it's a long cable, so you can set it up nicely in your car. So this is the main screen. At the back, this is where you connect the bracket, and this is also where you put this the diffuser. So this is a perfume. It's a ring that sits on the side of this screw, and so you put it here and then screw it back. In fact, you put this also like this, and then you connect it. Okay, there you go. All right, so it's all set. Now you simply need to go and connect this with the car AC vent, and I'll show you how to do that when I take it out to my car. So a very small, compact setup. It would not take a lot of space. And then you can connect this and you'll see the screen come up. So I'll connect it with my power adapter just to show you how it looks, but then I'll take it in the car and then show you exactly how it would look and how it would work. There you go. So you can see I need to connect this with my mobile, but you get the screen connection. Alright, so this is all you get inside the box. This is how you connect the mounting bracket at the back of the clip. And now what I'll do is I'll take this out to my car, set it up, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this new Ottocast CarPlay Clip. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so as you can see, I've set this up very nicely in my car. I've connected it with the air vent or the AC vents, and I've connected the USB plug in the USB port in my car. And as soon as you connect that, it takes a second or two. It doesn't take a lot of time because this is not an Android system device. So as soon as you connect it, probably 2 or 3 seconds at max, it connects and then takes you to this screen. This is the main setup screen of this device as soon as you connect it with the USB plug. And even on the screen of this small device, you can see that the same Bluetooth connection instructions are appearing on the screen. So on the screen you've got two options. So now obviously you have to connect the Bluetooth with your mobile to get the CarPlay system. You can also download this Autopilot application, and then you have a few options within that application to operate this device, and I'll show you how to do that later on. But the first thing that we need to do is actually go to the Bluetooth of the iPhone, and look for this new device called CarPlay Clip E645. So it was appearing. Let's refresh the Bluetooth. There you go. So click on it, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then use CarPlay. So that's it. These are the few steps that you need to do in order to connect your iPhone with this device. It takes, a few seconds. As soon as you connect it, takes a few seconds to have the CarPlay user interface appear on the screen. Now, this is a one-time connection. You don't have to do this connection every time you sit in the car. You just need to make sure the Bluetooth on your iPhone is switched on when you come to the car. And then as soon as you start the car, it will take a few seconds for the device to recognize the connection and then take you directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay that looks like this. So the good thing is it's auto connected. You don't have to do that, and I can quickly show you how to do that. So as you can see, my iPhone Bluetooth is on, it's connected with this device, and we have the Apple CarPlay user interface appearing on the screen. And what I'll do now is I'll just unplug the device and then plug it back in to show you that this device can actually auto reconnect as soon as you come in the car. All right, so let me pull the cable out. All right, so now let's connect it back again. All right, while we can also see how long does it take. So about 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So yeah, 10 seconds. So at max 10 seconds for the device to reconnect as soon as you switch on the engine of your car. So a very nice feature of this reconnection. This ensures that you don't have to click on anything on your mobile or on the screen. It will auto reconnect and take you to this page. This is the user interface of the Apple CarPlay, and in fact it should take you here. This is the main landing page, the split screen. We don't have the map appearing. Let me switch on the location on my mobile, and then we should be able to see the map appearing on the left side. There you go. And then we've got calendar and the media. So this is the landing page. You've got some shortcut icons here. You click on this button, it takes you to the full app view of all the apps that are compatible as well as available on your iPhones. As you can see, we've got quite a few of them. So I don't want to explain the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video. All I wanted to see was how this small CarPlay clip works. But you can see it looks very nice, and it's very responsive as well. Now, as soon as you click on it, on the screen of the clip, you will automatically see the clock appearing. See, there you go. So this is the default setup. All right, so very nice, and we can test a few features on the CarPlay. And again, because this is connected with your iPhone, you can actually use Siri for voice instructions and voice commands. So, hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall. And because it's connected with my car, I can use the steering wheel controls to manage the volume. There you go. So Siri is working. Navigation is also working. Hey Siri, play some music. All right, so you can get music as well. Let's stop playing music. Hey Siri, call Ipster.
Calling Ipster home.
Let me call my son, and let's see if he gets, the more important thing here is the calling connection, and to see if he's getting a clear connection. Hey Ipster.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
What are you doing?
Sorry?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Any sort of echo?
No.
Okay, great. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so the calling is clear. You can play music, you can go to different places through the Siri navigation. So the main functions of Apple CarPlay are working indeed. So that's the most important thing for any of these kind of devices, because the main functionality of this CarPlay clip is actually the wireless CarPlay connectivity. So that's working. That's quite nice. I've connected the diffuser as well, so there's perfume through the vent, and that also is working. The digital clock, as I've shown, is also working nice. What you can do is actually, as I said earlier in the beginning, you have this autopilot application which you can just simply go and download, and then as soon as you open the app, you get the details of this. And within the Apple CarPlay application, you have all these things, and in fact you can go to some of these details to play around with it. So you've got the quick guide, the product manual, a video to explain the FAQs. Whenever there is an update to the firmware, you can use it through the mobile, after sales service, and the product setup as well. Let's look into the product setup. Within product setup, you've got some of these details, and then screen settings. This is where you can change the screen itself. So you have the clock. You can actually change it to set as the album. So whenever you play any music, the album picture of the cover would appear on the screen. And then also you can set up your screen or the wallpaper picture or photo. So you can upload any of these by setting this as default, and then you will have something appear on the screen. So you can also change that if you want. You can just click on it, go to your gallery or take a new pic and select that. You can put it your kids pics, family pics, or anything that you want. And even the music covers would be automatically connected with that. So quite a few nice cosmetic options. Obviously these would not impact the usage of the CarPlay. These are some nice cosmetic features that you can add. And again, this is a nice device to have it in the car. It's not one of those bulky devices that I've been testing on my channel. It looks very nice. It connects with the air vent, doesn't take a lot of space. So all in all, a very nice new gadget, new device from the Ottocast brand. I'm a big fan of this brand because I've tested quite a few of their models, and all their models have worked amazingly well. They produce very nice, stable devices, and these devices last for a long period. And I'm sure this new innovative device would also do quite good. So if you're only looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter that converts your wired connection to wireless, along with some of these extra cosmetic features, then I would recommend you getting this one. But again, if you're looking for a full-fledged Android system on this device, then this is not the device that you should get. I have put some recommendations in the description of the video. You can just simply go and check out those devices if you're looking for a full Android system device. But if you like this, if you want to buy this one, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official Ottocast store, where you can buy this very nice Ottocast CarPlay clip. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.